how to send expiring photo in Telegram. So if you want to send an expiring photo in Telegram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Telegram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your Telegram, you need to just simply go with the chat, any chat that you're comfortable with. I'll just simply go with this one. Once you're in your chat, now if you want to send an expiring photo, then you need to go with the attachments. And from here, just simply go with your camera, take a photo, and then now on the bottom right, as you can see that you will have this disappearing option or the expiring option. You need to just simply tap on it and you will find view once, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds. So you can just simply choose how long the media will be kept after opening. So I'll just simply go and select view once, and once the person has viewed the photo, it will be expired. Or you can also go with 3 seconds, and once the other person views that photo, after 3 seconds, it will be expired. So go and select it, go with send, and that's it. That's how you can send an expiring photo in Telegram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.